Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. So guys, as you know that right now the Galaxy Z Flip 4 is in a pre-order phase, and if you have pre-ordered a device or wanted to purchase this particular device, then definitely this is going to be a big investment from you. So in order to protect your heavy investment from unexpected drops or accidental damage, then definitely you will be looking for a best case available. So let's begin the video by starting up with the first and the new case that is coming for the Galaxy Z Flip 4, and it will be called as the Z Flip 4 flap leather cover case. Basically this case is going to be one of the best cases available in terms of a leather, and it will protect you not only the device but the hinge as well. Basically, if you look at that particular case, you will notice that the hinge has been covered, although it's not covered complete, but still it's going to be help out in order to protect your device quite easily. And there is also a metal strap which is going to be holding the device significantly to protect the hinge, and again it's also going to be used as a grip for your device. And looking at the outer display and the cameras, because it is extruded from the original body, making it a little bit thicker, but still it will protect your device significantly. And the front of the device is also protected because it's also coming with an extruded edges, which will definitely protect your front screen. Now the cutouts for the fingerprint scanner, Type-C port and the speakers are going to be great, and they will work perfectly. Also, the volume up and down button is coming as a plasticky and in the same color as the. And you guys, this case will be available in 3 different colors: the peach, black and the pink color option, and it will cost you around $90. Moving on towards the second case, it's going to be the same case that you have already know for the Galaxy Z Flip 3, and it's called as the Galaxy Z Flip 4 silicone cover case. Basically, it's coming with a strap on the back of the device which is going to protect your device, and you can easily hold it quite significantly. It will also help out to protect your cameras and the front screen, and there is also going to be a metal strap at the end of the strap, and you can easily connect other devices or attach it to some other keys as well. And this case will be available in 2 different colors: the orange plus white and the green plus black color option, and it will cost you around $40. Now moving towards the last case of the Galaxy Z Flip 4, and it's going to be the silicone cover case with a ring strap. Basically its functionality is going to be similar as the Galaxy Z Flip 4 strap cover case. You will have a ring on the back of the device which you can use in order to hold your device, although it will not protect your hinge, but still it's going to be a good choice to have. The other protection is going to be same as the Galaxy Z Flip 4 strap cover case. And it will be available in different color options, and it will cost you around $40. And guys, if you want to pick any of these cases, then there are links in the description, you can check them out as well. Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe for more updates. Peace out.